The Holy Stone HS110D is probably one of the best budget drones for beginner that you can get on Amazon at the moment. Priced at under $100, you really can't go wrong. It constantly makes the top 10 list of budget drones of the year all over the internet, and it constantly is out of stock. But no matter, let's see what it's got. Of course, it flies much better than you'd expect, as long as you didn't expect too much. And with the modular camera system, you can probably expect some sort of upgrade to it. But don't count on it though. You can get it in any color as long as it is black. Advanced, bright black, that is. Don't know how it is from normal black. I guess it's more advanced and brighter. Modular battery. This would make it easier to charge and easier to change. Well, that's the idea anyhow. By the way, once you get the model number of these batteries, you can search it online and get them for dirt cheap, with separate chargers also. Don't tell the Holy Stone guys I told you that. These Chinese RC makers are obsessed with these one start function buttons. It's not really starting the engine, guys. It's more like turning the motor on. It's electric after all. It's a cool idea, I guess. And liftoff. This is probably some automatic acrobatic modes. Okay, suitable for everyone, even babies. HD photos and videos for real, guys. I've seen other YouTube reviews and the footage are not bad. Just keep in mind the price you paid for it. Don't expect something like a DJI quality. Of course, this is CGI. It can't really fly this far, but you get the idea. Now this live camera function is awesome and not something you would expect from this price range. Presumably, you will need to use your own phone and hopefully the app that comes with it won't be all in Chinese. But at this price, even if it is in some foreign language, just try and figure it out, guys. Gravity sensor. I can tell you how it works. Gravity always pulls you down, and your drone with it, and your drone will crash. Try to beat it while you're flying. Okay, this will come in handy, as long as it gives you enough time to fly back. Well guys, this is out of stock at the moment, but do check the product link in the description often. They do get restocked quite quickly, hopefully. Okay, let's have a look at some other functions that wasn't described in the video or didn't go into details. So this camera is full 180p with FPV, good quality and everything. Auto hover, so if you're flying and then you suddenly lost the will to live, it will hover by itself until the end of time, or at least the end of the battery life. Smart voice control. We all know this won't work in real life, but the idea is that you shout command to it like land or fly and it will do just that, just like an obedient puppy. And just like a puppy, it doesn't always work. Gravity control. Yes, you will become a superhero and your power will be gravity control. All you have to do is buy this drone. I kid you not. Oh, and you get a hitless mode. That is really a thing. Alright guys, if you like this video, please subscribe. It will help us out a lot. Thank you.